My first web application was hacked by Dr. Aderito within just 5 minutes. My name is Teslim Salaudeen. I'm the founder of Aermeans Global Services Limited, and I studied software engineering at SQI College of ICT. Actually, I was trying to escape poverty. It is funny though, but then that is truth. But along the line, I built passion. I found interest, in building applications, several softwares that can solve, problems. Wow, my experience was so smooth and interesting because, our instructors, they are experienced instructors. They've been in this tech space for a very long time. They actually know what is needed in the market, in the labor market. So they were always available to guide you, to walk you through any difficulty you might be facing, any challenges you might be facing. So it was like a family relationship between we, the student, and the instructor. So there was a time like that. It was my first time of hearing penetration testing. So the class was taken by Dr. Adeyemi Aderito then, who was my direct instructor then. So we have built an application like 3 months prior that period. But it was quite unfortunate that when we started this class, 5 minutes into this class, he was able to hack the application. To be sincere with you, I lost my steez and you know everything looked scattered to me. Ever since then, I've been curious, and anxious to know more about penetration testing. So he opened our eyes and gave us room to actually want to explore. So ever since then, whenever I'm working on any application, but the first thing that comes to my mind is security, security, security. Well, it is transitional because I was able to escape poverty. Wow, that it is Aermeans. Like I've said earlier, I'm the CEO and founder of Aermeans Global Services Limited. So it's a full banking app that makes transaction seamless for businesses and individuals. You can buy airtime and receive commission. You can buy data. You can basically, do everything that all any banking app can do. Advice to them is that actually it is not easy to be a programmer, but then with their consistency, they can actually be a very good developer. And it is very important for them to know that it is not a get rich quick scheme. So where they expect to become a billionaire overnight. And lastly, they should try to solidify their skill at any point in time. They shouldn't be jumping from one programming language to another. They should stay in one place and solidify whatever they might have acquired at that stage before jumping to another level. It is very important. And lastly, they should make sure they communicate with people respectively when the time comes because networking is very important in this field.